My name is Anthony Williams. The program I took is the Business Accounting program, and I graduated on June 2017. Myself, I am from Trinidad and Tobago. I moved here because primarily of my son. 2 years prior to starting at Oulton College in 2016, I was looking for jobs. And for that 2-year process before I started Oulton College, I was not successful at all. So a friend of mine suggested that I should come and see Oulton College, because Oulton College provides the environment where students could not only get an education, but also the learning that they put them on a level to work, right? Because the program that I did was accounting and business. So I just didn't want to do accounting program. I wanted to do something that is geared to me gaining employment in Canada, and that's what I chose, Oulton College. Oulton College allowed me to be more marketable, to have a better insight into working in a Canadian environment. The teachers really made it a special experience for me. They always encourage you to push yourself. They always encourage you to overcome whatever issues that you may have, and seeing that I had finished school many years, they just light a spark in me. Few words to describe my experience: dynamic, motivational, life-changing.